Hello everyone. Hello dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now it's time for maths lecture. So students, let us begin. In our last lecture, we started chapter number 6. So today we are going to continue chapter 6, that is shapes. So all of you open your book, page number 74. All of you open your book and open page number 74. Yeah. So the question is count and color the shapes. Count and color the shapes. So first of all, let me draw whatever is given in the book. Train kind of or some vehicle kind of shape or shapes are given. So the drawing is looking like this. Now here circles, squares, rectangles, and triangles are written. And the question is count and color the shapes. So first of all, we will count the shapes. Circle is written first, so let's count the number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now other than these 5 circles, any shape is looking like circle? No. Means total there are 5 circles. So in front of circles we will write number 5. Now the next one is squares. So let's count the number of squares. 1 and 2. So these two are the squares. What is the definition of squares? Squares are having all the sides equal. So in these two shapes, all the sides are of equal length. So there are 2 squares. Now the rectangles, 1 and 2. These two are rectangles. Why? Because the rectangles are having opposite sides are of equal length. So this length and this length is equal. This length and this length is equal. Means opposite lines are of equal length. Now in this rectangle, this and these two lines are of equal length, and this one and this one. These two lines are of equal length. So rectangles are also 2. Now let's count the number of triangles. 1. There is only one triangle. So the circles 5, 2 squares, 2 rectangles and 1 triangle. Now you can color it with any color you want, but the only thing you need to keep in mind is all the circles should have same color, all the squares should have same color, all the rectangles should have same color and all the triangles should have same color. If you are coloring this circle with blue, then all the circle you need to fill it with blue color. And for example, if rectangle you are coloring with pink, then all the rectangle you need to color with pink color. So this is how you need to color. Take out your crayons or pencil color. And one more thing, this will remain in book only. No need to note down in classwork copy. This page number 74 will remain in book only. And use either crayons or wax color or pencil colors. Just keep in mind, all the triangles should have same color, all the rectangles should have same color, all the squares should have same color, and all the circles should have same color. Now let's move further. Let's move to the next picture. So the next picture, let me draw the picture first. Then we will count and write. Picture is looking, so all of you try to count circles first. Okay, so first of all, let us count the number of circles. So no circle in this house. What about this? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 circles. And the next is squares. In this house, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8 and 9. This is rectangle and the whole. This one is also a rectangle. So there are 9 rectangles. So in front of rectangles we will write 9. And the next one is triangles. One, 2 and 3. So there are 3 triangles. So in the figure, in the picture, 3 circles are there, 1 square is there, 9 rectangles are there and 3 triangles are there. Note this down, and once again you need to color this picture. In which manner? All the circles should have same color, all the squares should have same color, all the triangles should have same color and all the rectangle should have same color. So write down the number of shapes and then color them. Okay, so let's move further. Now the next picture. So let me draw the picture first. So this is the given picture. Now count the number of circles. Okay, so there is only one circle. So in front of circles we will write 1. Now count the number of squares. One and 2. There are 2 squares. Now count the number of rectangles. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 rectangles. So in front of rectangles we will write 6. Now count the number of triangles. Yeah, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many triangles are there? There are 8 triangles. So in front of triangles write 8. Now color all the circles. There is only one circle. Color all the squares with same color. Color all the rectangles with same color and color all the triangles with same color. Use either wax color or crayons or pencils. Now I hope students you are done. So let's move further. So all of you now open page number 76. So page number 76, this portion, this one. In the space below, use 3 kinds of lines to draw a sailboat. See, we had learned horizontal line, vertical line and slant line. Okay? Or we can call it oblique line also. So, With the help of these three lines, we need to make a sailboat. So in your book, page number 76, in this portion, we need to make a sailboat with the help of vertical lines, a horizontal line and slanting line. So a horizontal line, slant line, one more slant line, again a horizontal line, then a vertical line, slanting line and horizontal line. So this is how, with the help of three kinds of line, we can make a sailboat. So all of you, one more thing, remember, make all the lines with the help of scale. Do not use running hand as I am using. Okay, so now I hope you are done with drawing sailboat. Now students, will start our first exercise. Exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, question number 1. So all of you write down the question with me. The exercise we need to note down in classwork copy. This page number 74 and 76 work will remain in book only. From here you need to note down in classwork copy. So question number 1. To get your hand set with the ruler, practice joining the dotted lines. this is how you need to do the question number 1. Now the next dotted line. Yes. So once again you need to repeat the same process. Suppose this is your scale. Put the scale over the dotted line and run your pencil over it. The same process. Put the scale and run the pencil over it. Once again, put the scale on the number line and run your pencil accordingly. Once again, the same process. Put the scale over the line and run the pencil accordingly. So, the horizontal line, the vertical lines, and now the slanting lines or oblique lines. Once again, dear students, put the scale on the dotted line and run your pencil accordingly. So with the help of scale, make all the horizontal, vertical and slanting lines. So I hope, dear students, you are done with question number 1. Now let's move to the question number 2. So the question number 2 is join the dotted lines to form curved lines. Note down the question with me. Now we need to make curved lines. So question number 2, join the dotted lines to form curved lines. On this also run your free hand. So students, this is all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will start from question number 3. Till then, bye bye students. Stay home, stay safe and keep practicing.